Hey there, fellow iPhone users. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a super useful guide for you, how to reboot your iPhone. Whether you're facing some glitches, unresponsive apps, or just want to give your device a fresh start, a reboot can work wonders. So, let's dive right in. Let's move to the first method, which is the simplest way to restart your iPhone. Here's how you do it: press and hold the power button and either volume button simultaneously. Keep holding them until the slide to power off slider appears. And then swipe the slider to power off your device. Once it's off, wait a few seconds. And then press and hold the power button again until the Apple logo appears. Your iPhone will boot up, and you're good to go. Moving on to the second method. Open Settings. Then navigate to General. Scroll down. And tap on Shutdown. Now slide to Power Off. Once it's off, wait a few seconds. And then press and hold the power button again until the Apple logo appears. Your iPhone will boot up, and you're good to go. Remember, rebooting your iPhone is usually the first troubleshooting step for minor issues like app crashes, slow performance, or unresponsiveness. It's like giving your device a quick refresh. And there you have it, these methods can help get your device back on track. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. If you're hungry for more tech tips and tutorials, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay techie.